What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, loves? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today we have a new sub on this channel, my loves. You guys wanted me to unbox the Eyescream beauty box. So I took a poll, y'all said yeah, so I'm making it happen. So if you guys want to see what's in August Eyescream beauty box, don't move a peep. What's up, guys? Welcome. I am your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole, and welcome, my loves. Today we're going to do Eyescream beauty box, which is a new subscription for your girl. If you like it, I hope you will give it a big thumbs up towards the end of the video after you finish watching the entire video, because you know that's what you're supposed to do, right? Yes. Before we go any further, guys, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you all so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now let's get some specs on this little box right here, baby, and unbox her. The Eyescream beauty box is $25 per month plus free shipping. I did sign up for the 3-month subscription, guys, so after the 3rd month I'll probably be canceling, depending on if I like it or not. You do get 5 to 7 items each month, ranging from beauty tools, makeup, and skincare. They promise that there's a palette in every box, which I do like. All full-size items, guys. No deluxe or sample size items in this box. And it is described as the perfect box for makeup lovers. Also, they have an Eyescream beauty bag that is $12.50 a month. And in that one, you get 3 to 5 items that's mainly makeup. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo, dance break, and a A. All right, loves. So I went on ahead and cut it open, and this is what we're looking like in the inside. Let me set her on down, boo. There is a card in the inside. It says, August, take her swimming, and it gives us a list of the products. I will put that down below as well as the total. So let's move all of these little scrunchy things out of the way, and let's get to unboxing. All right, so first product up is from Illuminati. This is all scratched up. All right, I think that this is a mascara. This is the Cosmetics Prim Mascara right here. Illuminati's prices are very high, and this retails for $21. Somebody is calling me again. I have received a lot of these in subscription boxes. I don't know where any of them are, guys, but this one is $21. I will not open this because I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway. All right, the next product up is from Floss, and this is my new favorite lip gloss. I think I just received one of these in my glossy box, maybe, or one of those subscriptions. So many, y'all. This one is in the shade YUL, and let's open her up. Ooh, it's a clear one. Okay, I do love Floss's lip glosses. They are really nice, very nice to keep by my bed at night to keep my lips hydrated. This right here, my loves, is 16 buckaroos. The next product comes from Pure Lano, and this is the Natural Skincare Revitalizing Overnight Treatment right here. And it's intense hydrating cream for your face, neck, and décolleté something. I don't know. You're gonna apply a pea-sized amount of this to your face, neck, and I guess it's this part here. Every night. It has water, glycerin, linoleum oil, sodium, all kind of stuff in it. This is what it looks like. The packaging, you get 50 milliliters of product. I'm gonna open her up. I've never heard of this brand before. If you have, please let me know down below. Packaging is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And when we open it up, it has a little seal there. And, oh, girl, it wastes water. It has water that, well, some kind of liquid that wastes out of it, all on my shirt and hair. So, okay, I'm not gonna like mess with that right now. So this right here, my loves, is $55. Wow. I think you might have to mix it up a little bit because it has water in it, some kind of liquid in it. We have 2 left, guys. Well, this one and another one. That's 2. Okay. Next product is this right here, and it is a palette. And this is the Poolside Palette by IBY. Packaging is gorgeous. It does match the theme of Take Her Swimming. Let's go ahead and open it up. I have received palettes from IBY before, and their formula is really nice. Oh girl, we got a mirror. Hey boo. Don't forget to compliment yourself every day, guys. I don't care what you think your flaws are, you are beautiful. Trust me, you are. Comes with a little plastic, and when we bend it back, this is the palette right here. It definitely gives me poolside vibes. It definitely matches the packaging on the outside, so I was expecting to see colors like this, and some of the names are Dive In, Get Soaked, Splish Splash, Floating. So the palette is very beautiful. Absolutely love it. This one retails for $20. And last but not least, my loves, we have this last product here, which is also a palette, I think. And this is from, oh Lord, Gourmand Girls. This is the Bold and Brilliant Highlighter Palette. Packaging is gorgeous. Let's open this baby up. And this one right here, guys, retails for $24. That's what it looks like outside of the box. And let's open her. Oh girl, we get a mirror. Hey honey. All right, comes with a little plastic, and these are the shades right here. It's very hard for you guys to see the top. They're kind of a little bit washed out, but this one looks like a greenish gold color. This one is like a silver, deep bronze, and a pink. So this is very pretty. $24. I'm not going to swatch this because I probably will not get a lot of use, but I will put it in a giveaway that we're probably going to have next week. So that was our final product in this month's Eyescream box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this highlighter palette right here, eyeshadow palette from IBY, from Pure Lano, this revitalizing night treatment, from Floss, this lip gloss, and from Illuminati, this mascara. So these 5 products are right here, my loves. So when I added everything up for this month, guys, it's $136 value. I didn't see a guaranteed amount on their site. Final thoughts on this box was, you guys kept requesting it to me, and I'm glad that I picked it up. I thought it was pretty decent. I am excited about trying out these 2. Well, I'm excited about getting 2 palettes in here. The lip gloss is always good to get, a mascara, this product here. Overall, I thought it was okay for the month of August. I am looking forward to, what's after August? September and October's boxes. This one was just okay to me. I would give it a solid 2.75 to 3 on a scale of 1 to 5 for this month. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you have not done so, I don't know what you're waiting for to hit that subscribe button and be a part of my family. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Everything is linked down below. And that's all I have, my loves. Please, please, please stay blessed, stay healthy, wear your mask, wash your hands, and that's it, love. So I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye.